Hey guys, what's going on? We're just here in Toronto, having a nice lunch. Just want to give you guys a quick update on like our whole situation. We feel like we've had enough quantity of content for now, but now it just comes down to the quality of our actual videos. So we're taking a tiny step back, really improving the quality of our overall videos, and then we'll be right back on track, you know, with like tons of content every single week to actually truly benefit you guys as best as possible. Before, our style was a little bit more just like think as you go, and so it wasn't the best. So we're taking a step back. We're gonna edit our videos real nice to make sure that like our ideas are displayed as best as possible, and just give you guys like a better understanding of how e-commerce works and how Anthony and I actually operate.
What's up, everyone? Yeah, so what Corey was saying, we are taking a step back right now just because we have produced enough videos, point where basically you can view as much as you want until when we're gonna post. Like, we have a lot of stuff on our YouTube, and what we're trying to do now is basically just put more effort into our videos and more effort into our content, so it's like 100 times better than it already was. I'm sorry if it's a bit loud in here, so we're kind of like talking really loud. If you guys notice, we do have the new camera. We're going to be showing a lot of that in our new videos. You can see like we have a whole new setup. We're going to be showing everything to you guys, but we can't wait to get back on track. So let's get this. We'll see you guys soon.